So Use My Project is a project aimed at giving training to people, young people between 18 and 30, about sustainable tourism and entrepreneurship in this field, and also basically about finance.
The main topic is sustainable tourism, and it is targeted at young people, basically from Spain, France, Portugal, Slovenia and Austria.
We've been developing learning materials for young people on the topics of sustainable rural tourism, entrepreneurship and financial literacy.
During the past year, in all our countries, we organized living labs, basically meetings and workshops in order to brainstorm with the young people from our regions about sustainability, sustainable tourism, accessibility and entrepreneurship, so how to build a business on this topic. And then at the end, we are all here in Maribor experiencing the city and gathering together, networking and sharing best practices from our countries.
It was very nice, and we bring some young people from the tourism school in France, and I think they are having some new skills now, and we are really enjoying this partnership in this project.
Yeah, it's all about make things in a way that you're environmentally friendly, socially friendly, but still economically viable.
So we really liked the visits this morning about accessible tourism. The activities were engaging, really fun. We learned a lot of things about sustainability and tourism in general.
So it's so incredible that we are doing things we like about tourism and learning more about tourism, learning about new culture, knowing new persons, new such things we didn't know.
A very good time. We got a lot of games. We meet new people of other countries and know other cultures.
For me, this project is amazing and fantastic, but permission other the persons and cultures is my first travel. I love the country and the persons, is this cities. It's amazing, this place.